It's going to be a reading for the sign of Gemini, all that you need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. From now until the end of the month, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So yes, what are you going through? Many of you with Six of Cups could be thinking about your person but not really taking action towards them. You guys are very much in your thoughts, okay? In the recent past or couple of months back, you guys could have gone through an ending with this person. Some of you, it could also be like almost a year that you haven't really heard much about them, but you still think about them, okay? One more card for Gemini. Like some of like this person could be a Scorpio. Yeah, with Two of Cups you definitely think about someone, okay? Many of you guys could be having someone new in your life or just have met someone new, okay? I see it's somewhere around 6 months majorly if it's a new connection. One more card, what our Gemini is going through. With the Hierophant card, you very much have a chance of getting married with someone new, okay? But it depends on you. You'll have a choice. It's going to be past or new. The past person is very much in your memories. You think a lot about them, but then definitely you have someone new coming in who could move things forward with you, okay? In terms of your past connection, like a past person, sorry, like what are they going through? What are they going through, Gemini past person? Ten of Swords. This person has gone through an ultimate ending. Okay, they have gone through all the ups and downs of life. If they did you wrong, let's suppose say if they did you wrong, they chose someone else, they chose to go somewhere else, then that went horribly wrong for them. They are not doing good. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now? In terms of how do they think about Gemini? With Strength card, this person is still resisting you. Okay, one more card. How are they wanting to come forward? How are they wanting to come forward towards Gemini? With five of Pentacles, this person I believe is ashamed of coming forward after what they did to you. I do believe that they were love bombing you, not really giving you anything, just giving you fake promises, and you finally woke up. Okay, after going through it for a long time. Okay, in terms of your overall soulmate energy, what do we see coming for Gemini? Overall soulmate energy, we have the Judgment card. There is a potential for a new connection regarded you are open. I believe some of you guys will think about it. This new person or whosoever you are in connection with does make you happy. Okay, in terms of that, what are they going through? What are they going through? Gemini soulmate. With Knight of Pentacles, this person has been very focused on their finances, I would say. Selected few of you, this could be long distance. If it's not long distance, this person has or had been traveling, but I see them trying to come back to you now. Okay, one more card. In terms of how to think about Gemini, how to think about Gemini now. With Seven of Wands, this person has not been very open towards you in the recent past. When I mean recent past, could mean couple of weeks back. Okay, what can you expect from this person now? What can you expect from this person? With Tower card, you could expect a sudden change. Okay, I do feel they out of nowhere could have ghosted you in the recent past. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for Gemini, in terms of their honest feelings. With Knight of Wands, this person could be younger to you for selected few of you. Okay, I do sense this person is younger, good looking, and someone who was very sexual. Okay, even if you guys never got physical, but I still see a lot of sexual energy coming from their side. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? In terms of how do they view you now? With the High Priestess, even you could have gone silent towards them. Even you are not communicating, or even you are not open to them like you used to. In the recent past with Four of Cups, you kind of felt like this person was pushing you away or not taking you seriously. So that could be the reason why you are so silent. Okay, in terms of how do they like do they think about you romantically? How do they think about you romantically? With Five of Cups, they do miss you. Okay, I can give you that much. They do miss you. Okay, for them in the past this was a sexual connection which slowly is moving forward towards an emotional romantic connection. But when they met you, they were physically attracted to you. They never really saw you as something that they would want to hold on to. Okay, but then surely there was a sudden change. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you. Now what are their intentions towards you, Gemini? Intentions towards you is Queen of Swords. This person, if they have been silent or distant, I definitely see them trying to communicate with you or trying to open communication with you, like some sort of sudden communication. They will message you. Okay, in terms of what action are they want to take towards you, in terms of what action are they wanting to take towards Gemini, please. With Nine of Cups, definitely they will want to open up. Okay, in terms of their emotions, they will. I mean, they will want to tell you or discuss with you their likes, their dislikes, wants, and what they don't not want from it. Okay, where is this going for now? Where do we see this going for now, Spirit? With King of Swords, King and Queen, some of you this might be a fellow air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with other like signs in their chart. But I do feel with King of Swords, you guys will end up communicating, regardless if it's emotional or non-emotional, direct, logical, irrespective of what sort of communication you have, you guys will communicate. Okay. One card for what's really blocking this connection, if we may know, Spirit. What is really blocking this connection? The past conflict drama could be blocking this connection. Okay, ego clash, one thing. There could be more than one person present in the picture. Okay, like someone has a lot of attention and they were very much confused with that. Okay, one more card. What do we like? What else do we see blocking this connection from your person's side? Yeah, with Wheel of Fortune, this person was going with the flow. Okay, not really wanting to take any sort of fast action or put in that sort of serious effort. They were going with the flow, and when you go with the flow, there's no plan as such as to where things are going. If it goes in a certain direction, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? So likewise with Wheel of Fortune, this person wasn't really very serious about this. Okay, so that could have got in the way. Okay, one more card. Till the end of the month, where do we see this connection going as a whole? With the Lovers card, you guys will have a chance to fix it. If you want it or not, that is up to you. But I definitely see you having feelings for someone, thinking about someone, and wanting to connect with someone. Okay, what would your major blockages be? What would your major blockages be this next couple of weeks? Gemini side, Spirit. Yeah, okay, you're overthinking. Okay, you're stressing too much. You're not sleeping properly. You're too worried about the future. Okay, one more card. What else do we see blocking Gemini? Justice card. If someone did you wrong, you are waiting for that karma to be served or justice to be served. You also want answers. You're waiting patiently for answers and things to be done right. So you will be waiting on that person to reach out. Okay, so yes, coming back to what should you be knowing about this connection. Give me a minute. So what should Geminis be knowing about this connection, please? Okay, not looking for commitment is one thing. Your person wasn't very much looking towards commitment, just like I told you. Wheel of Fortune, going with the flow. Glad it's over, wasn't up for this. Selected few of you. This person feared this going forward towards a committed relationship or something serious. So they were glad that this was over in the past. Okay, like oh my god, finally ended. So that sort of energy. Moving forward, what's the energy going to be towards Gemini? trust issues. Okay, someone has a major trust issues. Overall, I do not think it's over. You have the chance to fix it. It depends whether you want to stay open or close it forever, but yes, you'll have a chance to fix it. Your person will want to communicate. Okay, it's not over, they're just holding back, and yes, you will hear from them. Okay, so this was your reading for the sign of Gemini for the next couple of weeks from now till the first week of May. So if it resonates with you, please kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe. Okay, and if you want a personal reading with me, please reach out on my website or my WhatsApp and we could discuss about it. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.